a world where home security cameras are becoming more prevalent, what kind of frightening events will they capture? From brazen criminals to bizarre intruders, these are the frightening real-life terror videos caught on doorbell cameras. Get ready for scary videos caught on doorbell camera. The individual attempting the break-in can be seen using the homeowner's front door keypad in this footage, which was captured at roughly 12:45 a.m. in the morning. He brought a sack and a metal pole. Austin checked in with his wife Danger in Fort Myers, Florida, at the appropriate time and spoke to her by video doorbell. In the midst of a violent storm, he questioned whether she actually needed to go to the store. The doorbell camera at a viewer's former home, which is still operational while he attempts to sell it, also recorded the video that follows. His cameras picked up a man racing from his neighbor's house across the street, over his front yard, and up to his front door one morning at around 4:30 a.m. One of the man's hands was covering his exposed privates while he was naked. Two viewpoints were used to record the footage. Shortly after, the local police detained him. He was reportedly high on crystal meth, had taken off his clothes out of fear that snakes might be hiding within, and was frantically knocking on houses and ringing doorbells while crying for aid. According to reports, the area is fairly peaceful. Prior to this, the homeowner had never experienced any problems. He rang the doorbell after running up my front yard. According to him, he continued to pace back and forth while ringing the doorbell and knocking for the next half minute or so. He appeared to be in a panic, and his expression changed from one of someone in pain to one of complete madness. At one point, he stated that he needed assistance. He then fled back into the night after that. Near his home, an officer picked up the man at around 5 a.m. Check out this video to see a porch pirate caught in the act.
Yeah, I'm just trying to make sure y'all shit straight. I was just finna tell you had that on your boys, huh?
What you doing with that?
Alright, I'm gone.
Hello, bitch.
Nothing that's on y'all porch.
This video was given to me by a fan, and it shows a figure hunched down and approaching his front door through his doorbell camera. No part of the person's face could be seen because of the face mask, sunglasses, and hat he was sporting. The individual tries to unlock the front door but is unsuccessful, so he starts to tamper with the doorbell and notices it has a camera. He possibly tries to remove the camera. He probably began to keep his hand in front of the camera after ringing the doorbell when he realized he needed a special screwdriver to remove it from its mount. When a quick bolt of lightning strikes one of the trees in the backyard, the frightening storm outside this person's home becomes even worse. This video, which is from Brooklyn, New York, depicts a man approaching a person's front door in broad daylight on a busy city street. Then, with complete ease, he manages to steal the victim's Ring doorbell camera before fleeing, never to be seen again.
Mistake.
This woman attempted to steal this gift discreetly despite being aware that she was being recorded, but she failed terribly. A pair of porch pirates can be seen taking several Christmas parcels off this person's doorstep in this footage from Seattle, Washington. This woman attempted to remove a piece of this person's vehicle in broad daylight, but she quickly fled when the homeowner came on the speaker and questioned her.
Hey, what are you doing?
Thanks for watching Terror TV. To view any or all episodes of this video series, please click the link in the description below. Be sure to check out any of our other video series available for your viewing pleasure in the playlists section of this channel. See you on the next episode of Terror TV.